What's up, everybody? Welcome back to LeJeune Outdoors. Got another trout fishing video for you here today. We're gonna get rigged up. Gonna be throwing some spinners, getting it tied up, and we'll get started here. So it should be a good day. Stay tuned. That's where I left off yesterday. Let's see if I got two here yesterday, so let's see if there's any more around. Might have to switch up to a different, maybe not a jig, maybe a worm. So I was thinking about doing maybe even pink. Yesterday I used chartreuse all day. Today, might switch it up. Thought that might have been a rock. Got this bigger pink one. That's where everything's going today. I think it is. That's a whitehead. First fish yesterday on this, so just in chartreuse, so pink might take it today. Maybe. Let's see. Definitely been getting hits or something, because went through there 50 times, don't get a hit, and then all of a sudden, or don't go down, then all of a sudden I haven't changed the depth at all, and then it'll drop. Change the green real quick. That's the nice part about these little worms. You get a variety of colors, you can just keep going through, switching, changing, trying. I'm going to take a hair more off, just to make sure, get a good hook on my display. There we go. That's a perfect one. Perfect deal. I brought this, some addicted bait sauce. That way they hold on to it. Maybe. Might make a difference. We'll see. I even put some scent on this worm. I have some steelhead scent. I have a bunch of these worms if this works. And it's not that it's not working, it's just I can't. There it is. Man, I had to let him eat it 50 times. Well, I had to let him eat it 10 times, but of course I get a hold of him. There it is. First fish of the day. Nice little rainbow. Stick him down. There he went. I want to walk up and just fish this one. I caught one in here yesterday too, and then the first one I caught of the day was right here yesterday on a worm. Right here. Yep. The first one I caught yesterday was on a worm. Right here. I'm gonna drop this down here. There's that. No, right there. Right where all those geese are at. You could hear them. They're all sitting. There's a big, slow pool right there.
Oh, yeah, I know you got that. That's where I caught that brown almost.
Oh.
That brown.
Oh, there's one. Oh.
Was it?
Yeah, and I wasn't freaking ready. I'm pretty sure that's what it was. Yeah. Yep. Oh, that was definitely a fish then. Because even that time, the way it went down, I don't know. Could be wrong. Been wrong before, not very much, but. It's weird too, since we've, like, even yesterday with that woolly bugger, I'd have to throw it in there 50 freaking times, and then finally one would commit to it. I can't. Yep.
That one?
Yep. It's a nicer one, I think.
I gotta look at your setup and feel.
Yeah. It's when water gets dingy and stuff, usually those worms, that's what a lot of times that's why a lot of people use it.
I don't think I've ever tried a worm to cast. I gotta see your whole. It's funny how they don't bite the tail, they'll bite the.
Another one. Put that one back. Decided to have a quick gas station sandwich I bought on the way in. Sip of Gatorade. And get back out there. I'm gonna try and run this down by that tree by you. Got one. Arm strikes again. The rainbow. It's a bigger one. I'm gonna keep it. Alrighty. Yeah, another one on that maybe. Kyle, another one. Yeah. Darker one there. A really pretty one there. Tail walking. Keep this one home. Take this one home too for dinner. That wasn't one. We're on the wrong side of the river though. Another one. No, that's a good one too. This is the one I was waiting for, Kyle. Come here. You can have this spot. Yes, come on. I got this one. I got my good. Well, we'll see if I land it, but this is definitely a nice one. Stay down. Yeah, I know. You got your net? I don't know if I need it or not. If you could throw it down to me, maybe. There's another nice one too. That's the biggest one I caught since we've been out for trout, so I'm gonna keep it too. Well, I didn't even turn the GoPro on, I got another one. I think this is a better one, Kyle.
What's that?
I think this is a better one. This one's bigger than the last one, Kyle. Oh no, it ain't bigger, but it is a big one. It's close to the size of that last one. It was so hard to land that last one, I had to drag it up onto the bank. That is nice. Oh, he is not happy. There we go. Another one. Another nice one. Keep that one too. That gives me 4 towards my limit. Look here. Get him out of net on the rock. Another nice one. Take that one home for dinner. Kyle just caught a big one. We're trying to, it's quite the mess. Look at where he's at. We're trying to get it before, it's a giant.
The hole's right there though, that's the problem.
Yeah, now well, at least you got the big one. We're trying to get it before we bust off. Come up here to net it. See if I could do a good net.
Pulling out the ultralight.
Man, that's a good one.
It's gonna break it off.
No, it ain't.
I gotta wear it down.
Yeah. I'm just trying not to. If I get a chance, I'm trying to net her as fast as I can. Every time it sees me, it's like, yeah, you're not looking at. Freaking mini steelhead. That is a good one too.
Oh, it's a tough one.
Yeah, he's not ready yet.
And he's not wearing out yet.
No. Can't.
Hold on.
You're close. Oh, I almost had him. I just don't want to lose him.
I know. That's really right.
I can't see him. There he is. Oh, shit, the net. The net went to shit. I don't know what I had. The net I got spun up. Man, look at that one. Got him? Yeah. Well, we'll try and get to the best look at him as we can because my GoPro's gonna die, but another nice one. Another one. Man, that spot is loaded. This is a better one too, Kyle. It's not huge.
You want the net?
I think I get this one. But I think this is a better one too. I'm gonna let this one go. Yeah, this is a smaller one. This is... That one, we're gonna let it go. It's a little small. Yeah, that's a nice rainbow. I can't even get a good view at it, but that is a nice one.
It is.
I can't believe they're stacked in there so hard. And I just trampled through that hole. Oh, I just missed another one. That's a big one. Especially if...
Care how many I catch now. 2 days in a row I've got freaking tanks.
He didn't want to give up, that's for sure.
You hear my drag, I'm playing the drag the whole time.
Yeah.
How many you caught?
How many's up there?
I think you're like 5 or 6.
There's 4 up there. I caught 2 back there and 1, so 7.
I caught 1. Yeah, but now you fucking pull in your fucking foot. You fucking rubber worm, boy.
That's why I always keep a ton of different shit. You know what I mean?
I know what you mean.
Another one. Huh?
I wonder if a reef tail went through there.
I don't know. We didn't really try because we couldn't get in there. I don't know what size this one is. Not a bad one. Let this one go too. Well, had a good day. Caught quite a few. Got some more trout videos coming out and some other steelhead videos and stuff. Be sure to check back. If you like these videos, like and subscribe. All the stuff we use today will be down in the description. We'll catch you on the next one.